morning, guys. How are you? Happy Monday. It's hell, but very cold. There is going to be a blizzard. There's a blizzard warning. It started, yesterday? And by probably 1 o'clock, we're going to get some heavy snow downpouring. So we're warning everybody in our surrounding areas to just, go out if you have to. And if you don't, stay inside, stay warm, find something to do, because for the next few days, until about, I'd say, Wednesday, we're going to be kind of stuck in. And we watched the SAG Awards yesterday, so it was really good. And like I said, stay in, stay warm. And if you know anybody that needs help, help them. You never know. You have anything to say, Dad?
Stay safe.
See, he's so poetic, and that's just a beautiful thing. And we will see you. And I'll talk to you guys later. Be careful.